Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi. Onye kubwatari iboryo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsiguro y'emirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri uko ry'email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira sebishe itego tukasamaga hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi. Magega ya television y'Ensoko gwikasero yawo kwanyoriribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia bokwenyulia ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono nabokonyoribaga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyake busani tolikere gose twakeresimi gwitere namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Murigereria bw'Ensoko TV na inde ne chidaika 34 chinsesatu cyabaro butuko cya Afrika ya muchingo kwarigania sensemo yende yakabere asubutuko bwabono asogo kigosoa ase wodi ya Bugetenga egotoke county ya Kisensemo yebunge ya South Mugrango asokurigereria mangana bwa oburaina magendero kuri asenseme iyo na mono ekeratoruchie bwosibo bochoryo banene bwo mwaka bw'echile fuibere 25 na kabere na ime studio asubutuko bwabono ni no mugeni oyiboge korige kerogo kyo bwa MC kuri ase enseme iyo no chikumumanya ase obwagare na mono bunatogendera tegosanga asubutuko bwige namba ya mawasiliano na bwego no chikonyora libagalyo gwaka esimini ujumbe yage nyinge namba nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isato isano na noti isano na ibere isano na isano na isato isano na mamara gatano omwerio beka isato na bogotuma ujumbe yage nyinge gose bwa kesimi ase ogotuma riboli lyago gose gukwanira keryoragani gukwanira bunatugandira tegosanga aso wamase obotuko oboigana kire byamwarigani eriyo tosanga aso obwamona boiga sense moyende na bokubwatia enkwane yiga wetera ase nkira yo mutanda gwekerera Facebook roboigo asense moya YouTube Ensoko TV tuchaka aso bwamo gochakara bono goika omwario eriyo tulige nara lyaya ari kubase wodi ya Bugetenga. Karibu sana mheshimiwa.
Buyamona sana brother Ismail.
Karibu sana Ensoko TV na kiribu ya ukwani umorigere lya sobotuko uboiga kerokeria togo chake enkwane yaito yabene.
Thank you. Buyamona sana sekwe ngenji yoko nyeregania ase chi studio cha Ensoko TV. Wana onko irali bageri okwania Abakenya bonsi more especially Abakenya bakuru ase South Mugirango constituency ase ward ya Bugetenga ward. Yes.
Na kire byomate kero tukwandira mangana yoburaina magendero kero yamona bwate esabari yaye yoburai no nyeno burusi boburai yobuganga ibo chakerete gocha ayo moyeno gochikaransa SMS yigana boyigo gocha ukwanira Mugetenga asabe tubutukubwa bono na monagera toruchie obora obochori bwo mwaka 2027 esabari yago asenaro echakerete oburuso we sabari yago yoburai
oburuso we sabari ya yoburai yanseta kare mono burai bwane bwanse tukuru asa masomo sa kero na sta masomo ku primary schools na bere nkinko bomurai almost ebirasi byonse bya primary secondary and even college. Yes. So toko iranira kabisa se burai bwa Bugetenga ward na ariete burai bwa Bugetenga ward kurwe engaki burai bwe county kibwansete mutanga ni itese ward ya Bugetenga ward Musike Moreka. We worked with him tukaendelea kwa campaign kabisa gocha higo so ni ndigireti sana ward ya Bugetenga ngakie kora gocha mpaka gachigoikenga kie after 2022 nkarora bachori murai yetu amuri mnakonya bakoregasi aikirenga ki nchomo nyene pamoja na babwatani bonsi babugetenga ward bake bakacha tukachamo tukarorana ndu ya ne ya itwe kurubujoni omoga no gwene dekora yani ni mwito ni mitu na abantu babugetenga ningwene dekora babugetenga na nchenga itaba na hande nimbwate mipange menene ya bugetenga ward.
Okay.
Yes. Yonkorokana bugetengenya game plan 2027.
Okay.
Yes.
Ekero tukwanere goro yamangana yechi county ochi serikali chege nkakurucho chage tu mwaka wechile fibere na 13 gwikira boniga gentongeri yako kana ritukori ya rero kerekegeni getanya gokorekana gose nturaro murayi ndoko gekora bubasinga sekatibe yega enya umurayi mutangani orenga sekatibe yega enya yo mwaka wechile fibere na 10 na Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta na bono ntubatu William Samuel Ruto na robero murayi mutangani gokoreke iga ritukori ya rero se county ya Nairobi ekero tukwanira manage county na bo turachi goswase ward ya bugetenga umurayi wense ni gaikira na ase county ye county ye bunge ya use bunge ye county ya Nairobi tuanade umurayi wense ni gagwika se bunge nene bu address abana inchi kurwa se bunge area nene lakini rero ni gaika bosyo bwe bunge ye county ya Nairobi uchigo kwanira mumenyi bwe county ya Nairobi kurwaroro nabo go kwanira abarayi abaraba MCA nabo igo abo bisa au ase county ya Nairobi yo abangi bako mo chikorana ntira kieye na kiye kunyarika no murayi wensa kogenda na bengena no gwekeye oso ase chi county me wachakerwa sona no bokora libwe chi county igure ngani yega yo murayi wense anyara ka akora litukoli arera singencho yanya okorekana bo narali ora kwanire na bwekera tukwanegero ye chi county na bengena bono chonyore murayi wense go cha se county ya Kisii okariko ba address kuraro
murayi wense ase katiba igare umurayi wense yonsi ni gakogenda andonsi asatikire kogenda mpaka na matanga mwiso ndentwaro jina cheta matanga igari ese orekarao so murayi wense tabwati getango kendi yonsi kogenda asata kitugucha ase savari ya rero kogenda ase county area Nairobi igateba na Nairobi yegusira gosega kwa pukari managed igo nabenga na Kenya ya siriria njira yasengenjo county ya Nairobi is the headquarter, that's where the headquarter of the country is. No nyankuru last election Muigai Kenyatta na transferred some of the functions of the county government Korwese county government of Nairobi akanyena na to national government na akanyena na egetango twalikorokana NMS na NMS ikamanage Nairobi na bwango igantu arora Nairobi there is some claims na Nairobi teriko managed kulingana na birenga biria bitakeire so na rigikora na there are some functions chigo chikobwata na national government and the county government of Nairobi. The aim, as they say, nengia area koragana we are supporting institution ya the county to perform how they are supposed to perform. But according to me, when the governor and the people were governing the county, as much as we have the law which allows that to transfer functions from one government to another, there is a law. It is agreed. The national government can take some functions of the county government, and the county government also can take from national government. But the original manager remains the government. If it is from national government retains. If it is from county government retains. But there is support from another government. But that means there is incompetence. If it is true that the president is a county assembly, then that means ibintu mbirira uraimbura butaraikirana ase county area uchi aroche na bamoche ne batigeruga asenale baguchi emenganye guchikoba. But according to me, we need to have the management of the county government remain with the county government, not again to the president.
Asense moyende buna tukunya gukwana insi yechinsa ibiri chaitira bono umugabara we county ya Bungoma kumanyekere buna nere Kenneth Lusaka egentongera achokora nigabuta ebaraza y'abawaziri bae bonspi obatomereka obuta ba cabinet bae bonspi obutomu Anthony General no secretary we county igobona wikira bori tukwana e county ya Bungoma ekero tukwana iro yobo kwareli obuiga tukunya kwana county chaito puna tukukwana boniga county ya Bungoma omuntu ebwata bona iga no mugabana no mukonyi bo mugabana ababande bonsi pia ba CEC mu Anthony General no secretary niko batumuka chinsa nibere chaitira bona
inegasi yankongo yokumya, because now that means there is a very serious gap of administration as a county government ya Bungoma. Eyetaka na eripi. I don't know nkigiagera umugabana olia otwaro musugumo olio nganaiga waseria abafanyikazi bande bonsipi kurugasi.
Riboli ndina no chobuta bonsi ayoko buta bonsi togotikale nyone mbabire batatolende nkero yo mubwata limocho.
Narorire even in the national government. Egaro tuwabwate a constitution during the time of Kibaki. After a constitution yeriagwa, a president Kibaki na sereti almost 3/4 of the cabinet home. Nanda kachwale cabinet yende. Lakini asenche unanche John Omoga. Ekorona there is incompetency whereby ogoseria ofanyikazi bonsipi. In fact nayo manyana wenda wese. Nayo manyana wenda wese because naye kwabachorete.
Ige mirete na wanyana no bwateke moa.
Yes, naye kwabachorete. Bakagende bunge, bakako musasa. Bakanyorekana bare sawa, bakaiwe gazi. How comes ika okubuta ofanyikazi bonsipi? P. Who is now going to be answerable to that kind of gap? That means Mambi, Mambi, Mantombari Batu office, some of the directors, there are some, the constitution allows a specific person or colleagues na go sign. Now, like now, Mambi, say a minister, I want to sign. Mambi will sign you. As per the constitution.
Uranyora batayina ki amasakarayo munyabeke gabu mabingo chanda office nje kobekese.
Is it lawful? Is it lawful the president or the minister? The president you sign where the minister is supposed to sign. Is it lawful? No. So then a governor ya Bungoma Kenneth Lusaka igawanda kwa sari na ekonomero.
Okay.
According to me.
Okay.
Yes, because ngakie cover possible kolika wafanyikazi na ndaba butu bonsipi.
Okay.
Yes.
Asense muyende ekerukiri okoligekerweke yakyo MCA egotebekana n'aba MCA abange gusabara yibande nonye n'ababunge abagavana abaseneta gocha abarayimbare batamanyite emirimo yabo nereriye na moneka tokwanekerweke yakyo MCA n'abande mbare mugocha moika ase ebungeri county Mwarara na nonye n'okubeka nyono muswada oyo muri orochi no muswada oyo ega n'umuya noronganityo chikonya abantu bane na ndekero etigwe no chosire chigwadi chonsi ase county erinkorwa no muchando monene igo nekerenge kenene no kugenda ali kwanywe chai wasoka abange babuno babolina ine no manyetero orsi agunchire chechi nabo atagote emirimo ya enereriye
nekene brother Ismail na abantu batamatia role yabo even in national government, leave alone the country government, even national government. Ababunge mbararia bako ikanonye kero bare isiko ya bunge bakwana na kobera bunge is waste of time. Kisungu mingi lakini mimi niko hapa nje nafanya kazi. Now if that is the case, kobera bunge is waste of time. The role of legislation korosi sheria bunge. If you say bunge kobera bunge no gosarichinsa ngogo chikorosi sheria chirigo chikotumeka muno mu bunge ngogo chikoeti sheria chiriwana kutumeka because you are there to vote for a bill. If when it comes you are there ko correct bill bunge nande onyete tempake koreki ete konya abantu bao pamoja na bensengi mumno wakwana
igotora ramwe MCA gagochuko bori gona muswada nora ali mwete tia se county totebyangu igona ekero mirane n'abanyekenyoro manya goteba na muswada kio nonye no kumanya tamanye tio so muswada no wete tigwe na inde nikyo gukwanira
eme chande menene nguji narora
bana
aba MCA bande karo bachorirwe igo bakonda baba basibwa bande bagochi baba basibwa umuntu okonya umuntu you have just aligned yourself blindly with the party or with the president wanyoro or the governor kwanya na bono se itali kusia senkoru na MCA gete na njeno yo Simba Arati is a governor of Kisii. Simba Arati is a governor of everybody. Simba Arati does not need MCA for him to work. Yeah. Simba Arati alichaguliwa na bantu bonse piba bagusi. So for Simba Arati to work, you don't need to identify yourself njeno monto Simba Arati, njeno monto sijui we president or we president ni mtu wa kila mtu. The president ni mtu wa kila is a president even to wa Munyoro oliaro como address igari or karau.
Yeah bana.
So one thing I want to say, our MCA wagochikochoro, and I will believe our MCA wagochikochoro 2027 na our MCA bangaini wagochiko imokia usiya ito
abosena asena yokwe barabono.
Yes.
Yebona
bamanya na error yawe yemo no korosia machiko no gwetia machiko no korosia na gwetia error yende no oversight because usually the executive is the governor and the CECs, the ministers we talk about, the county ministers. And another one, that is to oversight them. And oversighting does not mean fighting. When you oversight the executive, it is not that you are fighting the executive. You are checking the laws as a county. When the executive brings, because it is executive, as much as chini, when we are making the budget, for instance, everybody is involved in making the budget. MCA oise ko ikaransa nyomba ko ikaransa yo ganyorete ruwe orete jibese chebita chocho ko agajera mache no choganya pa 10.
Yeah bana.
No choganya pa 10. If you will not take part during the basic time yo korosie a budget area ganyabosa anye zero. Omayo tena sabantu watanga ki ne governor teto etikende. E governor teto etikende gaikuarenge. Ande kero kotene governor teto etikende no kwarenge bunge ekero bunge bakoreto mswada gosekero bakorete budget area for voting no ore okunye mukiro ko kwanyeti ekero kware kwetingi kware weti. So according to me aba bunge bayiga bamenya kasi yabo ya legislation yokorosi kisheria wamanya na egasi yabo no represent, and the representation you don't go to the county assembly to represent yourself and your family. No, you go there to represent issues of your electorate. Bantu bali bagwakira chikura issues chabo babugate in terms of maybe water, in terms of roads, in terms of webitacho, in terms of tap water. You see, more especially say county Nkoru, tap water agengamna nechindoto.
Okay.
Kurmaya. But if given this opportunity to serve them, tap water for me, it will be a must. Ingo ikatoro. Okay. It will be a must.
Okay, tutaraswa bona se ukoligererie gatie murubiri uri obwate gose plan yago nereria guchia so mwako 2027 litengo wikabwaka litengo kwanza ne litengeriga no koligereria na gentoke mobire bitatu bibiri kwara akorera umwana ncha koligereria na ki wikira boniga na akorire kenekere kinara akorire kiga mware kongekero geke elinde makwandira gukora ayande amangi oburusumburo bibo kwara abikire ne litengo lyago ngayikwari yakere wikira boniga ase umugetenga
litengo lyane anene sengencho nare ni maito monto kwa ansa kuruseino
bana
seino nyore go kore mabugeka tuegena na jimo inari go kwa urita ngari no reme boro boronge. So inche pamoja na babwatani baito ba Senkuru South Mugirango Bugetenga ward, particularly a location ya Getono location, we have done a lot in terms of trying to see abana bali bagosoma kero bakora matemo especially form 4 mwana tayo ogotigana nyomba na singe ncho besa gikora tiki nchiyo. So inche na abande twabaira babwatania baya, more especially our area chief Mr. Mbui ekatua mwatebiri na ekesinge karasegete omwana ori ataire kwande skulu igotogo chamo abantu abange twabwaterana make sure no mwana ori ochire college osomire erinde nonya mwabokende ngeyopi gagokore college na bwate opportunity yo compete gokora kikuriye mirimo gakonyore mirimo okonyire mama mwambo okonyire batatu mwabo nonya mbabwate no negesanda bakunyura machi
abonase ugochakira nabo ibone gotwegorera gwakwane igoro yamangana y'ikisemi nabo igani manyite no murubiri norororo ubwate kurwa sense mo yago na mangana y'ikisemi kera tokwanira ntubwate birasi bya ECDA ndoro chi county chinde abana abande nkonyi balero ngoli abande ni chichabati bakale ko kolia amabere county ya Kisii tinda amanyana kwanse se ward ya Bugete amabere ali kwansa ike mabere na ararati yakara kwanana abaikero Bugete ngo gosenaki
omumaino wa magana jega na renge primary na nyweta mabere
Aliamoi.
Liria uchikoerera. Lakini asebono iga mangana koro kuna ebintu byabosa byepara bosa igo. Nje I just find them not working properly. Or maybe ibekondo kokogera gasia asinga kianke mo especially maybe kero kenda singa chitoka ralia asechikura. Sawa. Umuntu wekira kabese ketense moiga nandai number 1 inche timanye tuya I'm yet to find out whether a program eriyo kurwa mabere gusiyaria is it an autonomy yani negendo kie governor yoka gosene sheria etetwe bunge because for a country to work properly or gosene executive order means but we need to work within the law. Not just because you have just felt like nataka kufanya kitu fulani nitakitoka kwa rege ndugete hiyo
asingichukua role county ndeko kwa
goseke nje county ndeko kwa say something like we need to have again tokoroka sheria we want to work within the law tali umuntu gwe moko gosaigo now for example mabera ali achire my question is what is the real plan? Can we sustain it for the next 10 years? Yes? Or etokora tuwika 2027 chikura chelire mangana yere
ikara kwanyorire ntunda ya kabere that one does not mean like I'm telling in a simbarati bintaga nebibe konyo mabere is one thing in amaya konyoro ngolie sukuru. In fact for me I'm advocating for the welfare yo mwanafunzi ekarari araria school right from breakfast all the way lunch even evening tea. But anything we were doing, number 1, is it sustainable? Can it continue for a period of time, or it is because of a certain interest? That is my question. But if it is sustainable, there is a budget, a well-defined budget for that process, for the next 10 years, I support it. Yes. Lakini ite wana negento ekienge naroche nano mwa ruanere mo women rep oyoro nominated MCA mwana kuruma atalia na igare mo chokoro Bugete mwana Bugirango South Mugirango lakini ari nominated MCA no ene ari naroche gagotana nere nguchiko gesara abana amabere mimi nashangiria bado abana bakoreki banyora amabere but I want a sustainable program, something which runs for a period of time, not just because of a certain interest. Wana turane Bogetenga murubere kyo bwata sense mu yikise
biyamono Bogetenga ward as an MCA the law tells me that I'm supposed to articulate laws chia ECD na vocational training which bari ngoja kubwatira se bari bande ba ansete batigeire na one vocational training ne wena kwagachwa Bogetenga so that abantu bakinire babera bange
banyore abasaya banyora amagiri chigasi
banyora mayori chigasi chamagoko more especially karo bari bakire maybe a university, these other tertiary colleges. TVET lately TVET na reka bwada jibesa. For instance estima ya chire usi chibesa chiatogire sikuise abantu banse kwa gachinyomba chingi ya magena. So we needed plumbers, we need abantu bakubeka emirango we need abantu bakoweka chistima, we need abantu bakoweka ceiling chingi tiles. So alias vocational training no mono kisemi chiliyo karachi chigo training. So mkuwa na example ya kemo, there is a vocational training school ekuwaga chua Kiorina. Yaga chirua amatuko.
Ndiya chake tukwa gacho.
Miaka ya chire. Yaga chiru koro sino moyo musio mutanga ni lio ansete.
2013.
Yo kabera I think akakuna sa igete akagenda. Akakuno yo ndaga acha kuna sa igete unaona yabe gutosene chibao. Era karati ugo. Bono igendo ichikiansanda umurali Ismail. Ekero tukwanza munabone government program. Government program tenga mnaka nyomba katika huko akacha ngona kwenye weka chibesa ngona. Government program ige kwanza limo paka mwisho.
Kwenye budget yacho yasoka kwa nechi milioni 10 igo yarasoka.
Yasokire limo ekobeke project iri from ground all the way mpaka completion. Wono ekere enyombe egento ye enyomba ya vocational training ekoremwa. Yekiwa sigete yatiwa. Unaona nda machi na akarengo chande ukwanira machi baadaye. Egesimage kabe kwa the same around Kiorina there. Kiorina Kiabigori. Egesime ekyo egesima umuntu nawe we contract yokore megesima tikego.
Weka kole.
Koze egesima gego yokunywa kiabe kwe pump kiabe kwe stima ya rosia machi amachi aba connected abantu banza kutumia. Almost 10 years down the line. Yesimanke yo majeta yo. Yes. So nje mno mo MCA nkoro ngochiko chorwa. When I have started a project, that project is mere. Because ngakiokorete contractor as a project etari financed properly pake kaira.
Yeah.
So nje buna esawari yane yo MCA. It is Bogetengenya game plan. The game plan I have is this. I will give abagetenga libaga bakomana chibintu byabo. To once na barabu each and every step they are there. In fact abagetenga bagwenda ko oversight their MCA. So when we decide that ingobeka to amacha asigete amacha yo igakoba planned very well, budgeted very well, that man comes out, nande, a project and for me, I don't know, public things, tell you into your money.
Yeah.
On your rengo begatura match, for example, match a tap, right? We have to divine the budget of that project. Put it in the open. Abantu bari geldi, ngoiwe contract Ismail. Ismail India wants a project this date. India gokora this date. So we want to see to hire Ismail a contract ndio kwanza ndio gokora ndio gwakanu each and every phase you gwakanu chiweza after you have completed here you are paid. After you have completed here you are paid. So tindikora na why properly why a project here county government or say national government it was stall.
Okay.
Yes.
Tocha se ensemo ya match eyugwa kwa rogo kwanira bani gasenje twaringa sensemeria yechisemi ke tukwanira gro ya match bune county ya Nairobi ya murai wense na teba na Nairobi go muchando wa match noro lakini bagendera tako yoshugulikira asugo kunye bisima piping inere pipe mchichi minyoke hapa na pale kubatara na serikali na tocha sensemo ya Bogetenga asenge nchonto go chakotabano muchomo nene no rugwe kubwato muchando yoiga bwa match no nyere binyoro mali no nyete bwata chinsoko tore nyone ne chinsoko chirito bwate chile cyabo kisosera kiraroro nande libo lirinde ekero kwa rosire nsoko elasima oli kensoke yuna funded by CG opened by John Omoga nkiyeko gerana ekero kwa igoro muradi onde bwensi na kuikiri tali agoli barana nsoko gitega ali ekarogo senga inya maramba alia na kuikori kiri tali agona John Omoga gosena kwa rosike tachekyo ora rosike tige igo muchando kyoko
before ndara just a match allow me kidai kaibere kwa education. The game plan Bogetega ward na kwanira a role ya MCA is ECD and vocational training. But however in Bogetega ward chisukuru cheito cha Bogetega ward more especially secondary schools and primary schools I want ingende kumbirana nabanyene Bogetega chisukuru chiri more especially school alumni. Yes. todosie a committee. In fact, in schools ndobwata abalimu barikire na Teacher Service Commission. Ndobwate abafanyikazi bakoroku ba board of management bare managed by a sub-county director of education. And also in Chebuno mo MCA, I want to do advocacy that we want school Chiabogetenga ward right from primary schools. Toligere lito chore committee ya isika. Committee ye Kenyoro.
Yeah,
ya isika. Koligere lina what is the gap which is making our schools, primary schools, chitali will compete at the top. Some of the things na gerere na arolire. Breakfast, lunch, yeah, is a very serious thing. Na absenteeism in our schools. Nchero jigogera some of our schools chiakoraki chia perform at that level. Tiango example mune school ya mekoro Kenyoro. School ya Kenyoro omwana naro koru the other side. Egetununkero yekoro Kiambori. Then omwana naro koru egetunu ya Kiambori Kenyoro were muna omwana oli walk this small hill oika Kiambori gora nando tirimbo ko jimata sakoro kwesamba. Ne yekoro kwesamba. Mate angena roje uchimate. Achiko mnyoka kurualia mambi amnyoka kuje sukuru. Right? I get sukuru by the time we get sukuru orosire.
Na somete Kenyoro niko na arikuru Nyataro mpaka Kenyoro.
Exactly. Wono omwana gawe ge sukuru ni mambi gaki mambi na nenkendu wake. Mechando teyo mengi. Lakini and you expect that child lunch time. Amnyoka kuru Kenyoro that hill ugo chini handa chikoruga. Achikotanya jinga uteli iko anda chikoraki. Achikuro for example those are a few cases. Nande kara ragire chimbiro joga ike Kenyoro school sana. By the time we gagalio nalia ndanga olire egideri nyoyo. Oikire school bato rosire. So I want to meet with people. Ba Kenyoro for example or primary schools in South Mogirango Bogetenga ward. Torigerie togwaki a committee ya isiko ngochikobo mo oyo mobo bakorokuna alumni of that primary school. Abaibori ba that primary school ne Kenyoro yonsi.
Abuna asti school chonsi osine school get specific
chonsi bogetenga yonsi.
Yeah.
Yes. Because mwana ndogo chora I find working with people kobaraisi ndani karoko koreka sia bieka. Karoko rangalia abantu bare nabangaini. Abantu Kenya nabangaini batageto murai okoba a forum bagote bibindu byonga kibiyokoru. So I will create that forum. Torane, if we want abana bari lunch Kenyoro. Osenya munari. Osomowa. Ose kiyo mabundu. Ngaki, what is the gap? Gap kierororo. Kogera abana bari mbakaraki mbaragere school. So we will work with the teacher, the board of management, and the Kenyoro yesiko wa torane nga ye gap yer muna wono. Ismaili ya no wasomera Kenyoro.
Ye Kenyoro.
Yes. Kwa hivyo nagi Kenyoro mbango school feeding program ya very created and a very nice program. Osawo ebitumo metoro 10 just to support Kenyoro. No betoruga
na bokoro.
Akino betorigira abana bamino bakobera bagosomalia abana bayubao na nini. So that is one thing I would work so hard. I know challenges are there, but we work through challenges. We endure challenges and we pass. Kwa rangeria match.
Tutarika sa match. Aiga so kurwendagereye iga sengencha sama tukamagega no nyembono Konyoro lenga kiende bagutumwe chinko kwarole bagutumwe chinko mbake binagu lakini karatiga ne binagu turara kwandira sendagera no nyembono ngoche bari batebuguna asetamwe yega kero mworo kiwa arete ebitume metorire ebere ne chingende gose no mutoliro ase plan ye yo gotebana umuntu getarua chingende gose ebituma totebose ne gwatebose ne metoliro 10 ine abaibori gocha bare na barabuwa kubwatanirwa asomoro byo
yes
ndagira kero muibori
o mwana eskuru nero to support school. It is the duty of a parent to make sure no mwana oye onyorire education erengia even paying bills muna yo bitume byo biwanate pone community gegocha to support where the gap is. Onya warakero kende bitume byatakere Kenyoro ne chiguni 10 abaibori bari begasi baike chiguni renga isanemo egap yatige chiguni renga inye. Now that is where me and you nonde togocha to support that
Moichori chiguni echo.
Choichori chiguni chiri erinde timbese korora omwana ogagoseriwa absenteeism gosega ko suffer so much unawone mbure ko tugusiye ngenje kamune ngaki omwana akomnyoka iga nandaira ne gochaiga nabako gande kare mbure ya asiri yake lakini gago ikangalia aragire agakoirana mbure mochore mwachere
gaso wengo omwana bona acheke mambia
acheke mambia mbiri sana saa 11 ya ganda gusiye. So that is a program I will work so hard. I know it is outside my mandate, but also as a functions Jomo MCA advocating for what is right for its people is a role that I will take very seriously.
Okay, that's what much.
Amache osebono iga igongo kwanira macha sebitacho. Bono iga samache munango ira chukura iga osengo uri bageri yonko ngende gokora iga samache. Ebitacho byonse bono iga munango kota iga tingagere nomo omo MCA na no yomo. Asibari bagambire bogetenga ora imoke igo mo tenga ki ayemose ebitacho mbire ngabire ase ward yawo agotena birega
babwati bomanyi.
I don't think so babwati bomanyi but timate timba let me not charge them hustling lakini tinga yose babwata lakini for me ko make sure na ebitacho birimbiro siri to standard. Number 1 noko manyana ebitacho mbire ngabire bogetenga ward ande ngakingo manya ebitacho mbire ngabire bogetenga ward kerege tacho asa abantu bakonywa mache I will request them bagende rochalia segetacho barigere tacho babogorige tabune kembogore tiga ya barigere tacho keria bachore at least abarayi barenga batatu a youth representative omongina no mogaka ndobese batana bagaka mbari chiroche abagaka mwana atereria buneke gosomo ngino atereria buneke nayo kugaramia so even abagaka ni batete bakoreki bagende rochali barigere the status ya igetacho ngakikere then abarayi aba bagochoru kere ward kere getacho mbara kutoja kuumira na bake bachoro ngoigugo tena we will manage Bogetenga ward with the team ekoroguna the management council of Bogetenga ward. So as a side ya match na nene se side ye magana na watu ye school we will have representatives wana se side ya match unabona ogali seito Bogetenga actually to bwate three locations. Nandichibwata marieta location ya Mogere Ruora, location yende kaba Munyama, location yende kaba Nyaramba. Na egaro nongo chikoligeria obokorere buna buga mache. Ekera abantu bari baumeranira bachoranire batatu. Then I will facilitate them bachorana nande munabona kururuora baumerane bachora abantu barenga babere. Bagocha se council now. We articulate issues chebitacho. Na nega bagocha se issues we articulate issues chebitacho bari gocha na munukerere. Hapana. Ibagocha na a very well documented report eyiye gocha kogera mo MCA uyorenche. Akero nkoligere getacho kere gose musache. Yongo kiriki na karana okay. Getache keke na ile budget ya around 200,000 ngagiye kale. So namnyoka ncho monyene kusina bantu barito kare gasina barabu mo special ba chief na assistant chief anaba paka batrate na abantu bari bagochikochorwa tokore nabwo erinde nyore the right number yebitacho bire Bogetenga and what they need ekarongo ikite nali se budget tokoenda korosie budget yokoligia ngakibitacho bikorosigu mbwate data eisaine not guesswork.
Okay.
Yeah. Mbate bitacho nyore 200 maite bitacho 200 and some of them I can even tell you ngaibire osinya eketacho number fulani getagiri chibesa number fulani so ekero nanyore bono nkojikori chibesa chiri antagete ko repair those bitacho biri ekero ngokwana inde as a county assembly ngokwana gosengo even nkonyora libagali go address e governor you know governor no mokari bitacho bine bi governor nje no more to report kusheze governor
ayasi agono gokoba
yokoba so mugabano oria na bagocha paka segetacho kiria kiria na kike na kebage koros kuna shilingi 10,000 it is his duty as well achari etacho kiria ngakigere acha sambo 2 ebitacho bibere bitatu arena the report I have given him plus those people bagokora costing ebitacho bajire barigere iri when this sambo 2 3 and banyore na my costing is accurate kende ngionda ile se account bakigepingwe na ndege ngukwana igore ogorosie bitacho bya mache igetacho ogorosie kurwe igetacho ga ari mo special bitacho maite binde binyete kurwa roche mate
yebon
uchiura na tambe igongorosie igetacho kururoche mpaka ne pare rionsi ipi pake gosoka the main road iria kogera kero montage ndebo boya tali para trosi igetacho lakini asa bantu bagwetera tayo
yebon
so I will make sure igetacho kana rosiri ongorosie igetacho paka nasama abantu bagwetera paka bagende
onde nabara boli na nigura chibwake piara eneli erieta oranganchire ntumeke piari yegana kiego chokoro sibitacho bere osebitato ebire byokonyorwa nya gutarira kubeka mutandao mugabana nero biko mutandao kugenda bona abantu bakete no gendera tokoro sibitacho kumbe kwa sibitacho bine ebyo gutarira emyaka 5 emigima.
I have told you we will have the management council of Bogetenga ward. Those people mbarutoja kore gasina barabo bona noro sigetache kemo owe ko mutandao bari bandu matekero kwa bintu bimune bi nekero kwa bintu umefungia unafanya vitu kivyako lakini nekero kwa bintu nabantu no kwa bintu bye egesunte
igotora rapiari ke okorekana
piari ngokorekana ere
yebana
lakini usually we say this omonto igaro omonto kulingana munarenge korumaega unare bono ande munaka bagochimutu so onyoro omonto karengo molimo korumaega wona gano molimo nande gochimutu no molimo tinta getigo kwanera oli onde momaite korumaega no molimo wona gano molimo no yego chimutu no molimo so that is not John Omoga. John Omoga una bono ngo chando gota bigoro ya mache ebitacho ye bitacho tap water tap water nimeamua maete gatoko bwate bintu buyantu bwate a vision 2030 and in vision 2030 we were saying estima kero monto atu estima
yebana
amache kero monto atu ara amache kero nyombe atu koroki etu ara amache we are in 2026 2027 mambiende 2028 2029 uraike that now itoko ika 2030 Bogetenga ward etoko ati amache
neli bolio
myself ekarongo so ward yali because na so many constitution sometimes ekarongo tebya abantu babogetenga ward no na ekuruga paka kwambori gori ya PR ekarongo batena when I get this opportunity to serve abantu babogetenga ward my second priority after education is tap water yes tap water a ward yaito ya Bogetenga na wera bazi kukanye around between 35 and 40 million kubeka mache no 35 to 50 million kubeka mache ya tap almost Bogetenga ngima
komanyete budget gocha ase kire ward ni get around 30 million ya so mwaka.
Thank you very much and that million iyeko bakiregento amache chipara everything
na kyogo cha wikiranirende onyare 40 million yega se myaka 5
mono sana the constitution is there then the constitution ekora ya korosiwa ekare constitution yeto ya korosiwa igara osere kwa bantu bonsipi terose iri mugikoyo egatigo mugusi terose iri mugiriama egatigo mogere right a constitution erose ya bantu bonsi so when we are looking at allow me to open this we have something we call PPP, private public partnership. It is a law in Kenya, right? So I am aware that sometimes the county government of Kisii may not have enough funds konganji korose yegendo yeke amache but I will have to design ngakiaba Bogetenga batageta amache using experts, the management council of Bogetenga, where the experts will be, right? We draw that report. The county government of Kisii will be the custodian, right? Like guarantors. Then we will use this law because yeah, I think I will get it. I've gotten it. The Public-Private Partnership Act 2021 is the primary legislature governing PPPs in Kenya, which came into force in 2021, 30 December.
Okay.
Now it says this: it streamlined the regulations, procurement, and implementation of infrastructure development projects involving private sector or private investment, covering both national government and county government.
Okay.
So if county government were involved and we want water, and we have designed properly on how we need to have tap water in Bogetenga ward, we twanyorosirie a budget yonse twanyerire se costing even in national government or whoever, the Ministry of Water, kira abantu bonse banyerire yanjiranire, and then we have found someone to fund it from the private sector, and we have agreed in all modalities. Nobody gives a million miamoja, for instance, and you want to give us, you might never yasara, to agree fully. You know what? 100 million. The county government they got 100 million. You give us that money, we put that project amache to nyarosia koreki abe ekara macha abeire omonye noria the way you use water etapu unatoko igora kamita ngaro unatoko tumia mache we pay motienyi 150 to 200 shillings.
Ni wowe chekoyana na gochia se county.
Yes.
Ase
egasi you know amache
nyamire romete ya tanane kagenda nyawasko.
Yes. Amacha aliye karo egasi ya ye private investor noko tobekera infrastructure akole. Okay. Seria mache chitangi chionse chamber number 1, chamber number 2, chamber number 3, water ready for use, pump to the higher area for to be used, higher areas like Kiambori, Mongane and Kiabigori. Plus there is another place Roralia, let me see, ekoro kuna Marongo.
Yeah,
of course Marongo gera a side another ward and ours. But still nasa yasana yako beke tangi. Ichange jinchi ateme tukobe kuororo. But tekero cha bege tuororo nchiawa oburendi obuya. Chipambu chikaibwa. Macha ita tayo mnabona machamongane na ibetwe.
Okay.
Amachamongane garaibwa machine jiri ibwa ono bantu bamongane mbabwati macha. Infrastructure jiri ka tuoro siri chairite. Right? We hand over to Kiwasco. So Kiwasco nerego cha kokorana ko connect ya machi ko chasa asa bantu. Ya Kiwasco yao nalia banta machi ya correct chibesa ya kana the investor.
Okay. Asengencho ye chinsa bundo china chideka chito chire chinyenge sana na chi message nje chikonya waswa na chisimu chikonya wakwa ase obwango mano inse ye dakika emo igoro yamangana bwati kaine ntubwate oboremi ntubwato bonchirali ntubwata mangana ye chichiro kwanza serikali ya bono inse ya Daktari William Samoei Ruto mbagandira tokoro sichiro chekerero chibakorokana modern markets chibwate stima chibwata mache chibwate pake internet yani bate tware kina ndiko chira modern na bono gikomba mwena nkwaro chena echireli yatagore twe bakani twaka chira ere modern yue bwate binte biga byonsi ipi ase ewodi ya Bogetenga gara tokolire lyoboremi no manye tena bugirango yaito ali nemesi
werango nemesi however amare mabugiranga akeire amare mabugiranga akeire mwarora bwango iga minister ya monde njatu chongereria gatebana ogirango gose Kisii County Neslam. It's almost the truth, but then they got to chongereria njirende talingia Islam mwa yatenerieta litabu ati maskani. However amare maitabo abo Getenga akeire. So onara koligereri na oboremi bwa agriculture and livestock na bobora baziko tosukiake. Una bono ningendigere tioboremi am so keen no boremi boti wechingoko ngoko maite na yeme koba ande kulie ndagera nka sana ngoko yemo kero kwanye bekire buya kwanye tugire buya na wewe ko bichuchu anga ikopi bichuchu ebikomi goko birenda buya obiona lina siringi 500 no very small price 500 after 3 months bichuchu gomi 500 jwa siringi chiri busana convert it maybe if you had jingo ko ikomi chigocha chibesenga around 50,000 bono nchengocha kogenda bone se ari kwambori na omo MCA na maite kasi yae nche ekarongocha kanyari bagakoenda Kisii County ni nche ntuare e bill ne bill yeye yango chikoboria a county government to facilitate the vaccination ye chingoko chonsipi Kisii bakwanga ose bill eta ninde nekene packet because yo MCA gaki utari kurwanira omo menyo yo ryo mwagete kura tugengo kerinde nera aitenenere
ikuneke barua
ihinega asi anko musana but eti a bill whereby we facilitate the vaccination ye chingoko Gusii erinde ngoko tekwa some of the reasons why chingoko chiko is because of the lack of vaccination nchiriko marioko mneta kere 1 week 2 weeks 3 weeks 1 month so inchendigi omusuadangire bunge yaito ya Kisii tonyebeke besheria ya kwamba we make a vaccination chingoko chia vaccinated onyo tu manage riko abana mario amabere tarengo okurumaya yeah chingoko rende ndore vaccinate chingoko ozingoko echinji jibe ifu 50 instead onyo ko abana amabere omo remiorio yomo anyora gore ngombe yae anse ko mama bere anse ko mwana we diga tonya ko mwana mabere kerensa yes so I am very keen no botugiwe chingoko esengencheo emegondo ya keide mesi ya nojote we no botugiwe mesi nga yoji go mesi might for mesi go profit you need land and so some of our pieces of land na listogwa gachoka wono ne chingoko echi tokoja kutugira maega tu ye nyumba so I'm very keen however bari babwate amegonde menene I would encourage them to do a sugar plantation because there's an engero.
Okay.
Yes.
Mwanchu murigereria nabo gwaka esimi yagwe na barigere noti isano na ibere isano na isato isano ne momara gatano mwero beka isato nabo tume ujumbe yago enyenge gosebwa kesi na barigere enoti isano na ibere isano na isato ne momara gatano mwero beka isato ujumbe yage enyenge gosebwa kesimi erio onyare gukwana na John Omoga uyo korigekero kibwe MCA kurwa se ward ya Bugetenga ensemo ye bunge ya South Mugirange County ne ya Kisii kurwa semo ya Facebook nindo cheyo kurukuna nere omwana fogo aote banware ime alafu oyo ndo kurukuna nere Ricky Junior Honorable John Omoga is a leader who will transform Bugetenga ward guri bagaso mwaka 2027 Elijah B. Ken the only gentleman who will withstand with the changes in Bugetenga Michael Jebas agotabana the vision of Omogetenga is here ine nkwana ya yakarokeria kwimuke simi aiga eritoigwe na nararia abwati kurwa sensemo ya ensoko bwa iriruya
kamadi
bwa iri karibu sana
ya mura no magani we
no ara mukwani
biatore
ani samba
yes
angurwe samba mabwawa
yes to koiwete
wana ngengo bolinga amangana yonsi byo kwana na bongulire tiara maya kunaye no maya nanga amangana yonsi ogo ikira ogo kwana nonya ikira ni buno ogo kwana ikiagara mangana mansi botambe igagocha aonchoka arwe sukari abe chumbi ikiagara bono buna omana no ito igato tebetie kuruo mongino inse acha boda acha keriare naende anya koro musinga etenga no mbwateti wono ebinteria okora na bibiria totebeti tu amara betikura
neri boyo
omara tu asinyiru kwege na barai ocha na mangana mabo amaya abu media lakini makoranga wona abu atarenge tigari goro na cheteri tangani ekarare gotagoraria taoni ya agateria bana inchi ngango koraiga eyeneye mambi mobwene
okay
bona abo bona karaga salia aba girejete no yokwete na kwete buna akara montato abintu bya bibo salegata se mereti na bana ora takarwirejete no nyamareli no nyenkorona
bien mono
bona igombu ya boli
okay torabwa tuyo Ensoko.
Hello, Ensoko TV.
Karibu sana.
Mora yoyu toro jinga biya to tevi.
Iya bana.
Lakini nane kene bide biya to tevi na jo korabo ko chene chiwe sata edi jeruto.
Neri boli kwa mo boli na achikwiranĩria.
Bono.
Iya bana.
To tevi ri ndao jo kora. Adekero muntu to tevi ari ndao jo kora. Ekero muntu to tevi ngana chikwa cha chindoje. Chindoje nchi arengo. Aya. Okwanyoranga nabono uyu ndachagite kwena na mabere.
Mugavana.
Yes, you mugavana kwena na mabere ngajia kurusia. Which account was it budgeted for?
Okay.
Ota ito to devingo mugavana. Yes, ya mabere tali wako ibera kibes.
Ensoko.
Hello.
Karibu sana.
Oyonya kundi okuana.
Kurwaralia.
Olukenyoro.
Iya bana.
Egango boliga.
Boli yango.
Omugambi una okuana yakulwe studio. Yakuli mwana bongozi ko Lukenyoro school.
Kwana lioka nandeke iya eriogirie TV yao.
Ono.
Iya bana.
Najiko ko ni una na school.
Okay. Tigairanĩria. Kero ko tegerera mabori ya unit simchile chikonya waswa net message kiujumla liboli rabu nerimo. Ochikonyara gwikirani aya igonsi ni maite bintu mbere tutarakwana buna chipara lakini asinginche chinsa nabo kweranĩria gwekerokeria ugochikurukanira na mangana yabasae tukokorera inse chidakika ng'e 3 gakorubona.
Bia mono sana. Aba boriri o maene bari baboriri bono iga yabere it is really very difficult na kongu kwegeno mwana siasa ebintu agukwata.
Asengencho bari batanganirete basalirie
babere bagoteba na ninche nkorega ekero nare ko bakutebia na nkingo gikokora. I also gave a plan. We said a plan talibosa igo nango chiande gokora igo nansa ngaki unabono nakwana igoro ya match ebitacho ngaki nansa igo nansa otebaiga litangani igotogocha gotwara abantu baito ba identify amaji ebitacho ekero ba identify ebitacho biria sawa yes of course I know muyane no korosi bitacho byonse bi lakini sometimes konyorore funding kere koreteki kerenke ekero funding yerenke nche ngoteba na toja kore gasi na babwatani bonse tali joni omoga mnanche but muzuri nyasaye nangete ekewe kemo yogoro ngaki kumbirana no abantu gokwana na babere batatu we can do something right nande engotebia bategerere baitoiga not everything will come from the government. Some of the things bintu binde into oja wekorera into gabanyana unabone gona tebana koena na bana lunch esukuru tari nancho ni mairomo gocha kwareta chi ebituma chiguni chiri chonsi chisukuru chiri chonsi bichigoreki chiyewe ebituma yaya etimu ena teba toja korega sinere korokuna the management team yabo Gitenga ward right imbara buto gocha kogenda na bananchi togo korega sina bananchi bunge yaito garoko enda bunge igoko bunge on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Monday and Friday neri mana matuko ya bananchi you are supposed to be found obana barabo so ono muno mongino yombodire kurwe samba Kenyoro no mugako yo kwane kuru Kenyoro aba bandi bagonte bigoro ya maybe kero kende nabakurumi tingo nyara kubaira tingo I am not the spokesperson timbu ati power choko iranere on their behalf igonko iranere in fact one time the first lady of America Michelle Obama said this and I quote, leadership does not change a person. Leadership reveals who that person is. So onyore mairura karengo morimo kurumaiga ya mairo ino morimo saa ibu na ikaransta nandi no mulimo gochimotu lakini nyota arenga mulimo kurumaye nabono gatali mulimo ingege gocha kugarawe mulimo. This is a plan ene plan imbwate ga motu it will be in writing.
Okay,
a team wetu cha korega sinero we will be doing abantu mno mogaka mno yo manye omongino yo kwana kurukenyoro no mo baba kwana kurukenyoro basically kurukenyoro wake simikuru. In fact in data keko bamanya ne riti mairo se namba yone regali. I will even have an opportunity yoko babe one of the council member so that we follow through what I've talked about.
Okay. Asoko korra edakika mwiga no manye towani go mubaro bwa bantu abange abasa yankonya kubori kubale sana na kia abasa babati chikura na boni gankonya gotebana uko kadi na gwetera somorobiro yiga twaro che county ya Kisii wikera boni yake roko ligereria mubaro tatira 10,000 county ya Kisii Nyamira nigo bare boni ga 3,000 na nechi namba nke igoro iga chigendera togotonyera na abasaya baiga buna bagonya gwesoki baganetia monjorole sana lakini asoko ligereriwa kurwa sensemo ya murobiro kyo bwate guchiase abasaya nonye abagotuna bare boigo bari babwate bamenyete no barema
ntara iranerie eriswari kwamboria nata etepwa na sinini gore ya chichiro ebire rombire sana ebinene korwe chiro ya ito ya Rio City mbrago ya to Rio City
egasivia
pili ya eta ega flood all over na ando bomane bwa mangana se Rio City Rio City is not at the swamp. Rio City era slightly on a higher area. The other side ere Timbogo Jmat. The other side ere Timbogo Jmat. Over arumbora visible as currently bono igaro na bongo blame the representation ya Bogetenga ward through a chireria. Na rabwango gantu aparetiri we birekite binge sana. Na ndeka tu anyori birekite muna biria egasi yabo during the emergency. Onyore jire ninja rosa tu mapema, right? Lakini bone mbura ya ature nanda yabeire nyinge. It is not like tuikaranse tokoleki tokire tuligirire timbure egosumbua abafanyikazi bakore biashara. I think anga ebirekite bimbia mnyoka bwango under the emergency biyigore emetaro amacha ali atirimboka agende abana biashara bagendera korek bagenda kore biashara. So I call upon omo MCA ori orobisi kaganya nande mburende tu nyinge ngamneria abantu basinyusi bakoneria ebintu metare erie bekwe echiro no etera akachibuya lakini metare erie bekwe tesuya abantu bakoreki se bakoneria
no maite birekite bichiba serenga bya cost
nande
senga chong muri konya okora research mutayo ko bamonyera ko rumwino gaje urara manyo murigere lya manyana nirenga bya cost
nche nocho mwako yuna kwa nago mwaka naro kwa naga guna alietalie bintu kete biko korwe njira kete kete koiraniri.
Okay,
lakini since bintu bitali birabutenene amabori ina yekara gocha lakini egere bintu bire birabuse omo MC yagoteba maisha maranga ki ya yantu abwate budget ya 1 billion yare kugora ebirekita
lakini na bichabo nkunyu la arano bigani bichi wakire metaro Bogetenga.
Of course yes, because ingi wano kibacha ko tuwara kerende ngine ndo ya ko tuwara kerende so ningenda bwango saba sai abasai kwanza ba Bogetenga and by extension ba South Mugirango na basaba ngaini mo especially abasai bali ba College University College no nyamba bali school bono iga bato involved sana no eno burai bwabo ochori bwa barai babo hawe abagati gati antu akachigura South Mugiranga aria organization yeri yabo bakoroka samosa kugabania abana bari university ne colleges chiatwara mburukano yo lakini rende we are running through and enchera iri bare bakora na gasene bakora bare bakora ntuta iri kora bakora bonga muna boli boko originate from a school because iko gochiko to a very bad picture going forward lakini bono abanafunzi gosabara aba youth in Bogetenga ward iko bare so informed. And I also promise that I will have the representative of youth in the management council of Bogetenga ward so that they can articulate their issues properly. Yes.
Ase ogokorera asinginche chinse bintu biragwe binge tutarakwanira twaganirwe cyo kwanira so butukuba bono oyo no muchakano bwo kwanira enkwani yigana kumurekera yagenderete kurwase ward area ya Bogetenga ase ogokorera butukuba bono okoliria kamera ya gogalia liuko liago ase obwenge litoka tebana 2027 game plan yuko liago ise chisekune 30 ligere lingo
yuko liane ase Bogetenga ward abagetenga egena amangana aria akorerekana na akoreke more especially a plan. When the plan is open, that means every interview kwa numbe koreke. But when the plan tebuga tia zero chigochi, unaona kana kwa na igoro ya mache tap water, abantu abangeta bako wena tap water almost 100 million koruarali. I am talking about the law. The law is there. So the plan is make a good plan. The law is there for national government. National government sai ererwe line ya korosi huko Naivasha all the way to other areas. Mesa jaka nyanjio jugo tumekari. That is a public-private partnership. Now, onyorege intageta match a private-public partnership. Inkinta wekere plan so that tonyorege ntugiyeke amachari.
Okay.
Esengijo yechinsa abagetenga baminto nko batebiga. Amagana yangu kwana, I will be talking it from now all the way mpaka chigura cheikire. And ninche mborokeli step by step on how I will put everything to pass.
Okay. Yemano mwanchumo rio liwen Soka TV asoko bwati nkwani yiga kurutwaga chage tomu chakano gwikira boni ya gwetera so mutandao gwekerero Facebook rawega sesemeria YouTube comment ino mwensi pi ntobaroche igabwo nabo gwetera ase TV kurandonsi asora support kubabona na gwikira bono to gwikira mwere baria baene kina yanko gochirare asenchirere ndonge kima chibi chamo na Mario Brian Chaka oyo kuruko Felista Kaberi amo na oyo kuruko na nere bari na basi nkuko kaniri ubwo tukubya tomera nankyo chinsenya gwika isano lemo asomuro birio gwetero bini astra murekere ayabwatikenere chisemire teriane Ishmael Moger botukubi.